It's gonna end. Hey. Hey, that's my boy Joe. What are you doing? Ham. Hey. No. Okay. No. No. No.
I'm not doing it.
Come on, you promised. You promised. You promised.
I'm done. I'm
No,
done.
no, no, no.
Why are you laughing?
Because you're laughing really hard. You're laughing really hard, that's why. You're laughing really hard. No. No. No.
I'm done. I'm done.
No, you're not done yet. You're not done yet.
How much time?
I don't care. You're not done yet.
It's better crazy.
It's only you and me in the house. It's only you and me in the freaking house.
Yeah, but the window's open.
No, I don't. It's not even.
It's open.
Now you close it.
Oh.
Close it.
Oh, I'm supposed to be the baby. Can I do that, remember?
And baby, they're not supposed to talk human. Hey, no.
So why you want to be with me in the first place?
Huh?
I said, why you want to be with me in the first place?
Because you're sweet. No. No.
I'm done.
No. No.
Why are you saying no to me?
Because your time's not up yet.
Ow! Why scratch my head?
I'm not scratching your head.
Why if I scratch my head from your Oh, crud.
You're not supposed to say words. Only gibberish and stuff.
George, my butt.
You're not supposed to say that. And you said, really? Nerd.
Hey, they left the drawer, right?
Well, you get to do that. You got a point. No. 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 No.
I'm sorry.
You're not supposed to say that until after an hour. Basically, babbling, gibberish, baby talk, and yeah, you know the deal.
Bite me.
Johnny. Hey.
Like I said, did I teach you?
come to mama. Here. Hey. You sleepy, baby?
I'm not supposed to be talking, remember? I'm not putting my thumb in my mouth.
And you're not supposed to be talking either.
Do you bite me?
Johnny.
I thought my nickname was Elmo.
Elmo.
I got a wedgie.
I'm not changing you. No, baby.
Is my tongue off so I can play?
No. I thought you said after that it's my turn. Hey, baby, come here. Come here, mommy.
I really am tired.
Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come to mommy. Come here. Babe. Johnny. Johnny. I'm here. Hey. Hey, baby. You're silly. You're silly.
So that's why you love me, folks, because I'm silly.
You're funny and you make me... And you're not supposed to be talking.
I'm sorry.
You're not supposed to be talking.
I thought a mother supposed to watch her children.
I am watching my children.
No, you're not. You're on the phone. That's a test for you. You're supposed to watch. Look out for me.
I am looking out for you.
I'm on the floor. You're not. I'm not supposed to be on the floor.
Come here. Come here, you nut.
You're a nut. You have to be on the floor with me.
Hey. How you doing? How you doing? No. No. No.
Right in the tooth.
No. Johnny, you're not supposed to be talking.
Now I'm 2 years old now, so shut up.
No, you're not.
I'm 1 year old.
Yes. And they still...
Jaden still talks. He talk 1 year old. A little bit words.
Yeah, only a little bit, but mostly gibberish. Mostly gibberish and then baby.
Well, let's switch words to the baby talk, genius.
No. Hey, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
I hate that. And I got a wedgie. I'm sorry, I can't help it.
Johnny.
I can't help it.
You're not supposed to be... And I'm not supposed to do that. Only 1 year old. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey. You sleepy?
A real one, yeah. I do that.
You're not supposed to talk.
Can I say something? Pause the game. I could say that. Jay's gonna be going to diss you, so because he loves big boobs. He loves those big bongos.
Alright. But baby gibberish and then baby talk and stuff like that. Got it? Silly. Silly. Hey, there's Johnny. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. stupid.
I'm just
I
asking.
know, but you're not supposed to be talking. William baby is gibberish. And if you're talking, it's being a baby talk. Got it? Johnny. No. 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 Here. 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 Here.
You're not feeding me water.
Johnny.
You're not feeding me.
Johnny.
You can't feed me water because I have to use the bathroom. I can't be using the bathroom that much.
Johnny. You have.
Oh wait, I'm gonna laugh.
What did I tell you about the talking? What did I tell you about the talking? No. There you go. Johnny.
I can't wait. I can't stop laughing.
I'll make you stop. Water help, genius. Hey. Hey. Hungry? No. 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 I'm so loving this.
I hate you.
Hey. Hey.
You know the part 2, right?
Yeah, I've heard that.
Well,
You're supposed to be talking baby gibberish, remember?
I'm gonna let one rip.
You're supposed to be talking baby gibberish, remember? Remember? You hungry? Hungry?
What did I tell you? Game over.
No!
Nope.
No, no, no!